Hi everybody, this is Zavratech and we are again back. And in PC the editing is too much hard. Like everyone say it is easy, but it don't. If you be found a software, then you know it. If you are using light softwares like Filmora, Lightworks, then it may be easy. But if you use pro software like the Premiere Pro, DaVinci or any of the other software, then you may find that the software are too much heavy. Like they require a very high specs, not only high specs, but also a very high knowledge. Like here you can see that I edit my every of the video using the Premiere Pro, and it is too much hard. Like I don't have any other option to do, so I only edit my video through this software, and this is too much difficult. Like here you can see that for doing a simple thing how much difficult task I have to do, but it is comes with a lot of features like a better timeline, better zoom in, zoom out, better quality, and etc. This is the reason why they are not recommended for basic uses. Like for basic uses, they are not recommended because they require higher knowledge, higher PC specs for doing editing. For this, you have an alternative option, and this alternative option can be run in any of the old PC. For this, you have to come and search Microsoft Clipchamp. If you don't have, then you have to download it. It is Microsoft official video editor. Yes, it is official. Here you can edit the videos through the AI through manually also. I have selected manually, and here we can find a smartphone like UI that it will comes with the features like record screen, record voice, etc. Preloaded text. Like it is a very huge problem for me in Premiere Pro, but in this it is very easy. Thereafter we can find a lot of templates and then background music. I generally go to the Chrome for downloading them, then I use them. But here you can download them in the software, then use in the software. Thereafter we can find stock videos. For this you don't have to go to any of the website. Thereafter stock images, again you have a preloaded option here. Thereafter templates, and it is very cool. Like here you can see that the templates are available for different social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and inside them we can find different preloaded templates. We can use them like end screen, intro, etc. Thereafter we can find the graphics like circle, line, etc. Thereafter the templates, and now here I will edit my video and I will show you that how the editing is too much easy than the Premiere Pro in this software. Here you can see that the timeline is very basic, like it is very understandable. Meanwhile the Premiere Pro is just like devil. You don't have knowledge, then you will don't understand what's that, and it is too much easy to understand. Here you can see that we definitely do. And now it is the time to doing editing. Here we can find some of the options like split, and we can adjust the timeline again. After we can find some not too much but useful and limited options that are required for doing video editing, especially for the beginners or those who always want a very basic simple video editor. And we can also apply some filters, like some are paid and some are free, and you can also adjust the filter quality. Thereafter we can find a color grading. Here we can see that, and there is also and it is too much helpful for those who are editor. Like I will show you that why I'm saying this. Here I will select any file, and this file is a effect file, like those file that will consist of effect for the video. Here you can see this. Now I will adjust this file to my timeline. Thereafter I will select the Latin mode. Here now you can see that this file is applied to my background. If I don't use it, then it will be black, and if I use the blend mode, then it will be as I wanted. Now I will do a very heavy editing here, and then I will give you my honest review. And here you can see that I have done my whole of the editing. Here you can see that it is too much huge file, and like the timeline is too much bigger. Here you can see that I have applied a tens of texts, effect, video files, audio files, etc. And the timeline is more easier than the Premiere Pro. And in Premiere Pro we can able to render the file up to 4K 60 fps, and now in this Clipchamp we can also able to render up to 4K, but for that we have to require pay. And now the video is rendered. You will see this is how. This is the review of this Microsoft Clipchamp. Now we will meet in another video. Till there, subscribe to the Tech and share the video. And I will recommend for those who are basic users. And bye.